Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share and like. 2011 Mercedes Benz C300. I can say from 2011, 2008, 13, almost the same body. Okay, this car here, it doesn't start. You put the key in the ignition, you turn the key come on. This time, the key coming on. You see here, the key come on, but the car doesn't crank. No matter what you did, the car doesn't crank. And also you hear the steering lock and unlock module is working. It make noise. No matter what we did, we turn it all the way to the end. Like I didn't turn it now, it doesn't work. After a severe diagnosis, we found that no communication. We open this side here, is dry, no problem. We come to this side here. We found that this place was full of water. Yes, water is all over here. And as you know, in this area here, we have communication line. You see, this is one, and that is one, which is look exactly like this. Some of them is just direct pin, and some of them they have computer in the back. My advice is now, you see the water still there, we clean it out, we let it dry. Once we take the inner the carpet, it's outside. After we put those two data line or data communication or data junction, you see here it's already green from the water, the connector here. Now all the communication become well. Okay, and the car, maybe the battery is weak. Yeah, the battery is weak. Okay, we're gonna charge the battery in a few to start it. Okay, good. So we're gonna put a battery and take the sponge out and dry it out. You see this one here? It dry out. You can dry it. You know, see, still you have water. See? You have to squeeze it. You know, make it dry, and put it back, and everything will be okay. I am going to put a booster pack now to start it. Stay with us. And those things, when you buy them, please don't take anything and come with it. They have numbers. You see, like this one here, it have A004 5467540. The other one also have the same number. Try just to get the right part by number. Don't go by just, okay, 2008, 2009, I'm gonna go get it. They are different. I bought for 2008 or 2009, and I have the receipt, and I just called the dealer. I said, give me the same thing. When we brought them, they are different. I show you now. This is the new. This is from the oldest one that I have them, if you notice. And those are the new that I bought it. And only two work. This is from the car outside. I just brought it. So those are the one, that old one is corresponding to this one. So if you want to change it, please try to get the right one. Before you go crazy, get the right. Go by part number. Give them the piece with the part number. They click it and they get it. They are a little bit different. And inside here there is a computer chip from the back. So sometimes you can clean it. They work, but it's better to put a new one. They are not expensive. Yes, they are not really expensive at all. The price is very reasonable. Okay, this is the car from here, and one of the places that the water can go inside, it goes through here after overflowed it, this place, because in here, in this place here, you see, this is the drainer, and when this drainer get clogged, I say all the time, when this drainer get clogged, water overflow from here and go inside right away. If it doesn't affect this one, it is not well closed, it can affect you can go inside. The next one also here, you see here also is a drainer. And this drainer is broke, you see. If the water go here, if it doesn't go outside good, it's not good. Also, we have to be clean. This here, you see. This is a drainer. Please, don't let this thing go. Clean it out. You're gonna move the roof, the sunroof, move it back. And here also there is a drainer. The other place also there is a drainer here. You're gonna put something to clean this. No, from here and you go here. But if it's here, it's clogged, it's overflow from here and go all over here to the car. You see?
That's a wood door,
yes. No,
that's a wood door.
No. No, here will not do anything. But if the water shouldn't come here at all. Anything here, it go directly. And this one's supposed to be closed.
Clog is gonna go here or
yeah, go over here and go inside.
No,
yeah, I agree. Yeah. But you see here, they have this. The big one is here. Bring the small charger. The small one is dead. You may kick like the battery like we. And I'm kick or the battery mate. So this is the car V6, and this engine is available in almost all Mercedes Benz cars. The small one is enough. Here. That's the one for it. Go start it now. Yes. Good. The car is start and everything is good. Yes. You have gas? Huh? No, gas. You see the noise here? That's the pollution pump. This one. This is the pollution pump. When you start it very small, it have to take the gas from the exhaust and bring it here again to recycle it. To prevent the pollution in the morning. It recycle it again. In a few it will stop. Yeah. If it doesn't work, you gotta get a code. Can you put this one? Yes. Okay.